Climate change is a long-term and significant change in the climate and weather on Earth, as a result of natural changes or as a result of human activity. Climate change may occur both locally and globally. Climate change has affected humans since the beginning of human history, when man had to adapt to the changes that occurred in his environment. For example, the drying of the Sahara, the change from a flourishing place to a desolate place, caused the great migrations of man out of Africa in the distant past. During the Ice Age, the sea level dropped significantly and thus man could move between the continents. The Earth was exposed to many changes in climate that caused, among other things, natural disasters, such as the Little Ice Age, which occurred in Europe at the beginning of the Middle Ages. At the beginning of the 21st century, the use of this term mainly refers to the phenomenon of global warming that has occurred on Earth as a result of increasing emissions of greenhouse gases since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, and to the extremes of weather phenomena such as prolonged drought, floods, tropical storms, heavy hail, freezing or extreme high and low temperatures, which may reach a climate crisis that will gradually worsen. The issue of climate change entered the public consciousness mainly because, in contrast to the historical climate changes that shaped the Earth's climate in the distant past and were caused by a natural source, the current climate change is mainly caused by anthropogenic effects, that is, human activity, and especially the jump in the emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. See the first 20 years after it is released into the air. It absorbs heat 84 times more than carbon dioxide of the same mass. In addition, there are various attempts by man to influence the weather, whether to maximize the benefit to man, for example by bringing down rain in agricultural areas, or to minimize damage, for example to weaken tornadoes. This activity is also known as climate engineering. There are conspiracy theories that claim that man is acting with the aim of influencing the climate through artificial means. For example, trying to reduce the solar radiation that penetrates the atmosphere and thereby cool the Earth. Or claim that the HAARP facility that is officially used to study the ionosphere enables control of the weather. What is global warming and its cause? Global warming is an aspect of climate change, referring to the long-term rise of the planet's temperatures. It is caused by increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning fossil fuels and farming. 10 ways to stop global warming. Want to help stop global warming? Here are 10 simple things you can do and how much carbon dioxide you'll save doing them. 1. Change a light. Replacing one regular light bulb with a compact fluorescent light bulb will save 150 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. 2. Drive less. Walk, bike, carpool or take mass transit more often. You'll save 1 pound of carbon dioxide for every mile you don't drive. 3. Recycle more. You can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide per year by recycling just half of your household waste. 4. Check your tires. Keeping your tires inflated properly can improve your gas mileage by more than 3%. Every gallon of gasoline saved keeps 20 pounds of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. 5. Use less hot water. It takes a lot of energy to heat water. Use less hot water by taking shorter and cooler showers and washing your clothes in cold or warm instead of hot water. More than 500 pounds of carbon dioxide saved per year. 6. Avoid products with a lot of packaging. You can save 1,200 pounds of carbon dioxide if you reduce your garbage by 10%. 7. Adjust your thermostat. Moving your thermostat down just 2 degrees in winter and up 2 degrees in summer could save about 2,000 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. 8. Plant a tree. A single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide over its lifetime. 9. Turn off electronic devices. Simply turning off your television, DVD player, stereo, and computer when you're not using them, will save you thousands of pounds of carbon dioxide a year. 10. Combine errands to make fewer trips. 11. Remove excess weight from your car.